one Mr. Richard Norwood, mathematician, diver, surveyor, winner of name most likely to incite a yawn, whose work was most notably acknowledged by Isaac Newton in his Principia Mathematica, did in fact manage to do something interesting despite the handicap voluntarily given to him by his parents. He was one of the poor sods laden with the task of creating maps. While maps usually aren't something to get excited about, that still hasn't changed. While maps aren't interesting, he did have time to do something actually cool while surveying. He decided to calculate the size of the Earth. To do this, you need three things: a willpower embedded so deeply in self-hatred that the fear of failure overpowers tiredness, hunger, thirst, or any combination of these, a sense of one-upmanship so strong that you're willing to give up all your spare time to undertake some menial labour just to prove a point, and a chain. Don't forget the chain, it's important. Across 2 years, in the early 1600s, he walked from London to York, measuring the distance he travelled with his trusty chain. Roughly a year in, he came to realise his dog wasn't on the end of it, and had to carry the chain along for the remainder of the journey, being a consistent reminder of his ineptitude. Anyway, the chain was a set length, unravelling it behind him, then collecting it in once he reaches the end of it, and doing it all over again, so very many times. Being a mathematician, he was then able to calculate the direct distance between York and London, despite not being able to walk the straight line himself, using the angles his zigzags drew out. Here's one of those real world of uses we all complained trigonometry didn't have. Bet you wish you'd listened about sin, cos and tan now so you could do this. So, by observing the height of the sun in the sky by angle from the horizon, he correctly worked out the distance you had to travel to move 1 degree of the 360 that make up a straight line around the globe. Using this, and some more maths, he was able to work out the radius of the Earth almost perfectly. What do you do on your walks? Something to think about. If you are interested, the Earth's radius is about 6,400 kilometres, and Norwood got it right within 0.5%, using nothing but his legs and a chain. Let that sink in. If you enjoyed this, then please write about it on the cubicle door of a local public toilet, and be sure to have a good day.